Hi, I'm Raw Chef Yin, and today I'm going to make one of my favorite vegan recipes, vegan Japanese curry. I really like the taste of this Japanese curry because it's different from Indian curries. It's sweet, it's mild, and it has such an interesting flavor. We're going to start making the vegan Japanese curry. Okay, now we're going to blend up the ingredients for the curry. So let's just open up the blender. So I'll put in the water. And then in goes the soy sauce. We'll put in some lime juice as well. And then I'll put in the cherry tomatoes. Okay. So I'm going to blend this first before we add in the rest of the ingredients. Let's start. Alright, so now that's blended, we'll add in the rest of the ingredients. We'll put in the aromatics, so we're putting in the ginger and the turmeric. And then we'll put in the shallots and the garlic as well. Alright, next we're going to put in the bananas, curry powder. Garam masala goes in. So we'll put in cacao powder. Okay, now we'll put in the carrots. Okay, and then we're all set to blend it. Okay, so now we're going to put the veggies. Let me get the curry. Okay, we'll pour it in. And then we'll top with more of the veggie, and the curry. And then we're going to garnish with the black and white sesame seeds. And then the black ones as well. So there you go. Your raw vegan Japanese curry is ready. The reason why I came up with this recipe is because Mr. Jazz Guitarist loves Japanese food. So now you have your Japanese vegan curry. Enjoy! So if you like this video, remember to click like and subscribe to our channel and smash that notification bell so you'll be the first to get updates from all of us. So remember to leave your comments below and let me know what you want me to make next.